Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra 2-pack GLAS.tR Ease Fit HD from Spigen. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I will show you how you can install it at your smartphone. Two dust removal stickers, cleaning cloth, scan QR code to remove bubbles. Okay, I will show you. Lens and screen cleaning wipe, 2. And we have this tool to remove big bubbles. Comes with an innovative alignment tray for a foolproof, bubble-free application. Make the installation process quick and easy, even for beginners. So let me show you how you can do that. Case compatibility, designed to be compatible with most Spigen cases. This is a Spigen case and other brands, ensuring seamless fit. I have made a video for this Spigen case. You can check down below the description. You need to remove the case and proceed for the installation. Nice, it smells very nice. Remove the back cover. Check again if you have any dust at the smartphone, and then just press. Remove from here. Wait of course for 30 seconds. Remove the plastic tray. And then remove the film. So if you have any bubbles, you can use this tool. And that is a perfect installation. Check again. Edge-to-edge protection provides full screen coverage, including the edges, while maintaining responsiveness and touch accuracy. I like it. Touch sensitivity ensures smooth, lag-free touch interaction, perfect for gaming, typing or swiping. Nice, I like it. High transparency maintains the original clarity and brightness of your smartphone for an immersive viewing experience from any angle. And with the oleophobic coating, features a smudge-resistant coating to repel fingerprints, oil and dirt, keeping your screen clean and smooth. I like it. Let's install the case. Fits perfect. Edge to edge. And that's the Spigen screen protector with its innovative alignment tray. very convenient and helpful. Ultra clear transparent glass and scratch resistant coating. It's the ultimate companion for protection and ease of use. Whether you are protecting a brand new phone or upgrading your current setup, the screen protector delivers precision and durability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech accessories, gadget reviews and handy tips. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay protected, stay stylish, and I'll see you in the next video.